Question 4 presents these two options you see on the screen. Take a moment to look at how they differ from one another. If you pick option 1 and you won the lottery, the computer will draw a ball from the box with 90 red balls and 10 black balls. And if you lost, it will draw a ball from the box with 70 red balls and 30 black balls. If you pick option 2 and you won the lottery, the computer will draw a ball from the box with 76 red balls and 24 black balls, and if you lost, it will draw a ball from the box with 24 red balls and 76 black balls. Now let's think about what type of information these options can provide. Let's first take option 1. You can expect to see a red ball 80% of the time and a black ball 20% of the time from this option, because half the time the computer will draw a ball from the left box where 90% of the balls are red, and the other half the time the computer will draw a ball from the right box where 70% of the balls are red. So, on average, 80% of the time the computer will draw a red ball from option 1. What does it mean if you see a red or black ball from option 1? If you see a red ball from option 1, it means that the chances that you won the lottery are slightly higher than 50% because there are slightly more red balls in the left box than in the right box. When we calculate the odds, we find that a red ball from option 1 means that the chances that you won are 56%. If you see a black ball from option 1, it means that the chances that you won the lottery are significantly lower than 50% because there are 3 times as many black balls in the right box than there are in the left box. When we calculate the odds, we find that a black ball from option 1 means that the chances that you won are 25%. Now we look at option 2 instead. In option 2, you can expect to see a red ball 50% of the time and a black ball 50% of the time. When you observe a red ball, it means that your chances of having won are 75% because there are many more red balls in the left box than in the right box. When you observe a black ball, it means that your chances of having won are 24% because there are many more black balls in the right box than in the left box. Looking at these two options side by side, we realize that in option 1, you are more likely to see a red ball, and in option 2, you are just as likely to see a red ball as a black ball. In option 1, seeing a black ball means your chances of winning are 25%, and seeing a red ball means that your chances of winning are 56%. In comparison, in option 2, seeing a black ball means that your chances of winning are 24%, and seeing a red ball means your chances of winning are 76%. Please take a moment to compare these two options and think carefully about what kind of information you prefer to get at this time. When the video ends, please click Next to make your choice.